Hello. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. As today we're going to continue our application procedure or application video for digital factory and operational excellence in Master of Science in Hdbw mention, which is a private institution. So in the previous video we already talked about the requirement analysis in that website, but today as I promised, I will show you how to apply for this particular course in two parts, where you can also first we can go into official website of actually Hdbw mention and go again the requirement analysis, where we can get more information than that, and we also click on application procedure, how it looks like. Then once it is there, then we will in the second part we will fill in the application and also submit the application. This is the two-part video how we have planned. And before that, if you miss the DART website, here is a gist where you have to pay attention if you really want to apply or look for this particular video in detail. So here you need to have to pay to 20,000 euros as a complete master degree program. So if you are a person who is not willing to study in private university and not want to waste around 20,000 euros, then this video is not for you. Don't waste your time. And other than that, if you're seeing me for the first time, you don't know anything about this channel. In this channel we make videos about requirement analysis and application procedure. In the requirement analysis, we always go through the overview, cost details, requirements and registration, where we get to know the degree details, what are the requirements, what are the documents we need to have, and when is the deadline, where to apply. After having all this information, when the application deadline is met, then we will also show people how to apply for any of the college by step-by-step procedure. On this, if you still need one-on-one session with me and you want me to apply for you, then you can always contact me via email, or you can also directly become a YouTube member. Then as a rule, then I will be doing for you, or I will take care of you and I will apply for you. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, this will be the first part of application video, where we talk about requirement analysis inside the Hdbw mention. In the study program, you can directly go into master degree programs taught in English or English taught master degree program. Inside this, we have so many master degree program: digital business modeling, entrepreneurship, digital factory operational excellence, which is us, and cybersecurity, pre-master, student study and examination regulation degree. So in the digital factory and operational excellent, industrial engineering, master of science and state recognized one. So each winter semester and summer semester, full time is 3 semester. If you want to do part time, then it will be 5 semester. But this also depends on your module and your bachelor degree, based on your also a work experience. If your work experience is less and your degree doesn't match their bachelor degree, then it will be 4 semester, because 1 semester you have to do pre-master. But I will give information about everything there. Then 790 euros each month. So this 790 euros each month will, if you count it for 4 years or 24 months, then it will also comes up to 20,000 euros. As I told you, 5,000 euros in general or 4,400 euros in general is your semester money. Digital transformation is a key issue today, especially in the field of logistics and production. The spectrum of topic companies have deal with in order to survive in national and international competition ranges from smart logistics and big data processing, simulation and industry 4.0. So if you are the person who is learning digital factory and operational excellence in Hdbw college, then you will be ready for industrial 4.0, process simulation and smart logistic, big data, etc. Career perspective, we already talked about. Your possible area of operation will be logistic and production manager, supply chain manager, lean manager, industrial engineering, management consultant. These are the things that you can focus on once you get a job. And as I told you, it is a private university, and they have also mentioned why it is good to study under private university. And these are the master industrial engineers who have studied there, who are the director there, and other things. You can just go through what they have told, and you can also contact them if you want to. Then, but we have to look about what about master degree, what are the admission requirements at first. In the admission requirements, we already talked about the industrial engineering or the by business administrative with corresponding focus, production management, logistic management, mechanical engineering, or comprises or comparable studies. So these are the degree people or holding degree people can apply for this particular course. If you are a person who has studied any of this in your bachelor, then you are eligible to apply. But you need to have 210 ECTS. If your degree has less than 210 ECTS, like that 180 ECTS, then an individual agreement will be made. Some person will take and tell you, okay, he has done less ECTS in order to fit in your college, then he will has to do this agreement or this subjects finish before he finishes master thesis. That will be one case. Other case will be in case of non-EU bachelor degree, the pre-master degree is compulsory for 1 semester in order to prepare for you for academic skills of German and language and culture, like that. So but this pre-masters will also depending upon the recognition of your bachelor degree, and if you have more than 3 years of bachelor experience, or if you have more than 3 years of work experience, then also you don't need to worry about this pre-master. But if you don't have any experience and if your bachelor degree is not matching their bachelor degree, then you need to have to do your pre-masters, which will be for 1 semester. Then your total master degree will be 4 semester. English proficiency, as I told you, it should be B2. So it should be B2 means for IELTS B2 is 6 and above. So certificate recognized will be TOEFL, IELTS, and these are the certificates that they are referring. And official confirmation from your university that your bachelor degree was taught in English is also fine. Please make sure you can also get this for free. And if you don't want to give the IELTS and you want to apply for this particular course, then you can also apply with medium of instruction. You need to ask for medium of instruction certificate from your college or university, then they will provide it. Basic knowledge of German is not required, but naturally helps to day-to-day life in Germany. So that's the reason they will also have an integrated German language course inside the uni. Please, I suggest you guys to take it. Then tuition fees, as I told you, the monthly tuition fees is 790 euros and 480 is for part-time students who want to study in 5 semester. If you want to pay, you can also pay monthly. If you don't want, then you can also pay as a semester contribution. 6 8s are 48, which is around 4,700 or 4,500, which is for 6 months. Then your advantages Hdbw, no additional registration fee for EU applicants, 100 euro recognition registration fee for non-EU applicants. All courses examination are free, are included. Then application deadline. If you want to apply for this particular course, what are the deadlines? 14th March is for summer semester and 30th September for winter semester. That is for EU applicants, but we are non-EU applicants. 15th January is for us, and 31st July is for winter semester. As we are inside the application deadline for summer semester, I will be showing you how to register now. In second part, I will be showing you how to apply also. Then program start, study period, how the program is divided. The summer semester will start usually in mid-March, winter semester start usually in early October. Then study period, 3 semester full-time, 5 semester part-time, we already know. Duration of winter semester, 1st October to until 14th March. Summer semester is from 15th March to 30th September to be precise. Then ECTS calculation, you can also check for the how the ECTS has been calculated, how and when that 30 ECTS and 300 ECTS is divided based on your master thesis subjects and other things. Study location is where you will be attending your classes, and in first semester you will do analysis and planning, management and decision optimization will be in second semester, and in third semester you will do strategy and evaluation. But if you want to go into detail what are the subjects that you will do, here are the subjects for each 5 ECTS. You will be doing in first semester business planning, finance, entrepreneurship, business analysis, optimization processes, big data analysis, business intelligence, work science, agile project management, production strategy are the 6 5-credit courses that you will be doing, which will be counts up to 30 ECTS. And in second semester also you will do another 30 ECTS where you will do employment management and change management, learn production optimization, digital value chain and smart logistic, project work, global supply chain management, decision theory. In third semester you will do master thesis and your final examination, which will be for 20 ECTS as I told you. Then 2 subjects will be digital factory planning and introduction to cybersecurity. So these are the 90 credit courses, how they have divided. So if the same courses you will be doing part-time, then it will be divided into half, then the 300 ECTS will be planned for you. Then in the part-time thing, how they have divided, you can already see analysis, planning, management, decision, strategy, evaluation and other things. You can easily go through and how they divided. You can also check if you want to apply for part-time. But if you want a complete English brochure, you can also download here. Here you will have the complete brochure and the courses that they have given or done here, the program that they have done, and the courses that you will be learning in each semester will be also set here. You can also check here. Then module handbook. So usually I suggest the best thing to look in any of the colleges module handbook, because inside module handbook you will understand what are the things that you will be doing, like say example introductory information, the subject that you will be learning, and who is the professor that he is teaching. If you find interesting that subject, then please check for that particular professor and check for his literature or any of the subjects that he is teaching and the paper publication that he has done. Based on that paper publication, you will understand, okay, this professor has the same interest as me, then I can approach him for Hdbw or research assistant job under him. Then you will learn more like that. Then check the admission requirements. We already checked and we already know what are the admission requirements that you need to have. You need to have a German degree and English language certificate, etc., etc. Then we will click on application procedure. In the application procedure, we have a direct online application portal inside the degree. Here we can click on online application form. So in the online application form, you have to apply online for a degree program. Documents you should have is motivational letter, tabular CV, proof of English language B2 level, only required for English taught masters or MBA program. But if you have also mode of study, then that also can be used as English language proficiency. Then application procedure or process page will be here, where you can also get to know how to apply, when to apply, what are the things, and how the decision has been made. If you need, they also have a video procedure how to put it, but yeah, that's why I'm here. I will show you how to apply, and we will fill in complete choice of study, start of study, personal information, school, upload documents, and we will also check and submit the application. So but this we will do in second part of the video, where I show you how to apply